Sir is a Southern alumni from the pharma profession, and he is here for because place in this Raipur, and we get the opportunity to interact him anytime and about the startups and how the industries can be developed like that. And we have with us our colleague Dr. Kavita Thakur ma'am, Manas Dev sir, and one of my senior, I can say, Khandelwal sir, faculty members, Manas from chemistry department, Saudata, and faculty teachers and all faculty members from different parts, and dear students. The purpose of to organize such a program in this university is we are doing the research work. That's the purpose, and in their own
Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Sachidanand Shukla, he is essential, and all office important office bearers who make this event successful. Most entrepreneurs start with a vision and a product, but many fail because they build on quicksand. Today we are covering the two pillars that turn a project into a company: legal compliance and ethical governance. Think of
between cost and price, you know the difference, right? Okay, cost is something, we should come to it, but cost is something which goes in producing a product, and then price is something that we sell at. Okay, here, cost and price. Cost is to produce manufacturing, but in costing also we have to put a profit. Otherwise, we cannot manufacture. If we cannot make profit, we cannot manufacture. So we have to put the packaging material, cost of labor, cost of machinery, utilities, electricity bill, fuel bill, water bill, etc. all that. But then we have to put a profit margin, and then we sell it. Price, acquisition of goods. Just say, he takes it from the company. That's the acquisition finished product. Okay, we are your seniors. Okay, so I'm excited to be here. Unfortunately, I have to catch a flight also at 2:45, so I have to wrap up very quickly. But I'm sure before that we give you a flavor. Look, I am from Sagar. Okay, have you heard of the place called Sagar in MP? Yes. Small place, right? Yes. If I can do this, you can do it too, right? Because you are from Raipur. Raipur is much bigger than Sagar, right? Okay. So everything is possible. Now the first thing, before you understand what is possible and not possible, you have to understand about your own body. You have heard the word she just called. You have to make up your mind. Where is the mind in the body? Does it exist in the body? It doesn't. It's outside. Okay? Brain is here. Okay? And then the body is there. And the body listens to the brain. But brain listens to